Hi guys, welcome to CWJ. How are you guys? I hope so all you are doing well. So thank you guys for supporting me and keep showing this kind of love toward me. Okay, thank you so much guys. So today's class is all about the month-based blood relation. Okay, so very interesting question. I suggest you first of all pause this video, try yourself, then again come back to this video. Okay, so I will show you the question. So the question on your board, try to solve this question by your own first. Okay, then you will realize that okay, from this point if we start, the question will solve within the 5 to 6 minutes. Yes, exactly, the question is not more than that. Okay, so let me move toward the next slide. The next slide is 8 persons were there belong to same family, and there are how many generation? There will be a 3 generation. Let me choose the color first of all. Okay, now 3 generations, and there are 3 married couples. Okay, they are opening the FD account in different month like Jan to December, but the mentioned year is January, April, May, July, September, October, November, and December. See, January, April, May, July, September, October, November. Okay, now all of the information is not in the same order. Fine. See, what you need to do is first of all draw the family tree. Then after drawing the family tree, within 2 minutes you can solve the arrangement. Within 2 minutes, seriously. So B does not have grandson. Okay, B does not have grandson. I admit that B will not have grandson. The number of person who opens, leave it, this is a kind of arrangement, leave it, don't focus on this. The number of person who opens between D's brother-in-law and A is one less than number of person between C's spouse and H father. But what you will take out from this line, what you will derive from this line? Okay, there must be a H father, there must be the C spouse. C spouse never defined your gender, and there must be a D's brother-in-law. These 3 points you can keep in your mind. Read it further. The spouse of C is the sister-in-law of H. Pick this line. Okay, I know that there are 8 persons. I know there are 3 generation. I know there are how many married couple? There are 3 married couple. Now this line is explaining me or telling to me that the spouse of C. Okay, there must be a C. There must be a C's partner. Spouse means partner. That partner is a sister-in-law. That means this partner is sister-in-law. So what is the gender of C? That will be the male member. Okay, the spouse of C is a sister-in-law of H. That can be in 2 various ways. So let me draw the both 2 various way. That like this, I can say H sister-in-law. Who is H sister-in-law? H sister-in-law, that is the C spouse. C spouse will become the H sister-in-law, sister-in-law of H. Now the another way is C is here. Fine. Male member, this. Now I can say like H will be like this. Now H sister-in-law will be the C spouse. Okay, these 2 different way I can draw that diagram. The spouse of C is sister-in-law of H. The number of person who open before D's daughter, we know. Okay sir, there must be a D's daughter is same as after H only kid. That means H will have kid, that is plus or minus. H will have kid, that is plus or minus. And also we know that there must be the H father. Very first line I noted down here. See, H father. So there must be the H father. There must be a H father as well as C's father. Okay. Now see, we know that there must be a 8 person. Don't cross the 8th person. Okay, 9th person. Don't go for the 9th person. Try to think this like these things. Okay, E's brother, E is the mother-in-law. Now E is a mother-in-law of H spouse. H spouse this, and this spouse does not have a sibling. E is a mother-in-law. Okay, E is a mother-in-law of H spouse who means Talking about the H spouse, does not have a sibling, but here H spouse is this having the sibling. So how can you say this is your correct diagram? How? This is a wrong answer. Rub these things. No, there must be the H spouse. There must be the H spouse. I don't know the gender of that spouse, but for this I know, for this E is a mother-in-law. That means ki E is a mother of H. Fine. How many percent we have allotted right now? That is 1%, 2%, 3%, 4, 5, 6 and 7. We need to place only 8%. Okay. C's spouse opened 2 months before G's grandfather. Okay. G's grandfather, that definitely telling to me that G is coming on the third generation. G will be coming in the third generation somewhere here. I don't know where G is coming, but G will come in the third generation. A is a sister-in-law of D's spouse. There must be a D. There must be a D's spouse. For this spouse, A is a sister-in-law. So it can be very in two different way. Leave it. Because it will make you confusion. Just leave it. But remember that A is a sister-in-law of D's spouse and is not a spouse of C. That means A and C are not married couple. A and C are not married couple. C is here, A cannot be here, definitely for sure. But we need to think like this, that A must be the sister-in-law of D. The only possibility there is there. But leave it, I will tell you later on. Okay. C opens 2 persons before D's mother-in-law. Okay. The number of person who opens before G's cousins is 1 less than after C's spouse. Okay, that means there is a G's cousins also. C's only daughter. C's only daughter. The 8th person we have drawn. Now guys, you tell me where I have to place A in such a way that A will become the sister-in-law of D, but A will not marry to C. That means only one case na. That is A will become sister-in-law of D's spouse. See, D's spouse. Sister-in-law of D's spouse is. Okay, fine. No doubt. Okay. Now, fine. Let's move in further. Is opening C's daughter. C's only daughter is opening in the month which have even number of days. That means in April, it can be April. It can be September, it can be November. Okay. Only one person opens between D's daughter. There must be a D's daughter. Okay, this. And G's mother. Okay, leave it. The aunt of F open after A's mother-in-law. Clearly mentioned that F will also come in the third generation. But where? Here we don't know. Okay. That means G and F are coming in the third generation. The only one that is left, that is B. So B must be at this position. Now B does not have a grandson. That means ki both the child is from female gender. Means both are female. Only 2 persons are opening between C's daughter and F uncle. We will later on check. But last line is very important. Like G is not the child of D. That means definitely G will come here. Definitely F will come here. And now your family tree is completed properly. Now what you need to think it just for the arrangement. And as I told, after drawing the arrangement, after drawing the family tree, your question is not more than 5 minutes or 2 minutes. Okay, let me come again. I will take the red color. Okay, now only one person opens between D's daughter and G's mother. Okay, the aunt of F opens A's mother-in-law. So let me first of all note down from the beginning the number of person who opens D between D's brother-in-law. Who is a D's brother-in-law? Who is a D's brother-in-law? D's brother-in-law, that means this will be your D's brother-in-law, that is H. So between H and A, the number of person opening the account between H and A is one less than number of person between C's spouse and H father. Who is the C's spouse? That is D. And who is the H father? H father, that will be means DB minus 1. Okay, fine. I will note down this point. Okay, now read it further. The spouse of C is a sister-in-law. Okay, leave it. The number of person who opened before D's daughter. D's daughter, that means F. Number of account opening D's daughter, that is F, is same as after H only kid. H only kid, that is after G. We don't know like where is F, but very last line we clearly known to me that C's only daughter is opening account in the month of even number of days. So F can be here because the C's daughter is F now. F can be here. F can be here. So we know the position of F. Now before F, how many person? One person. So G will be here. 1, 2, 3, 4 means 1, 2, 3, 4 means G will be here and G will be here by reading this line, this small line. So rub this line. There is no use of this line right now. Okay, fine. Read it further. The number of person who opened before D's daughter is same as only H after H only kid drawn. E is a mother-in-law of H spouse who does not have sibling. Leave it. This is a family tree condition. C's spouse opened. C's spouse, that is talking about D, 2 month, talking about the month, guys, focus, 2 month before G's grandfather. Before G's grandfather, G's grandfather, who is the grandfather of G? That is B. But here we are talking about the not number of person, talking about the month. 2 month before. The gap will be, month gap will be a 1. Okay, B, 1 gap, D. Okay. So can you tell me that how many person is between B and D? That is B and D, 1 person, 1 minus 1, that is 0. That means H and A will have, definitely H and A will have how many person between them? H and A will be 0. That means ki H and A both are immediate neighbor. Both are immediate neighbor. The number of persons. Getting my point? See, here you can clearly show that, okay, between D and B, only 1 person is there. So D and B, 1 minus 1, that is 0. So number of person between H and A will be the 0. Okay, leave it. Let's read it further. A is a sister-in-law of D's spouse and is not, okay. C opens 2 person before D's mother-in-law. Who is the D's mother-in-law? That is E. So E, 2 person before, matlab gap of 1 person, there must be a C like this for sure. Okay, the number of person who opens before G's cousin. Who is G's cousin? That is F. Of course F. The number of person opens account before G's cousin, that is F. Number of person before F is 1 less than after C's spouse. After C's spouse, that is D and minus 1. So how many person are opening before F1? So place 1, that this minus 1 will come here, that is 1 plus 1, that is 2, means after D 2 person will be there. After D only 2 person is there, that means 1, 2, D must be here for sure. D must be here for sure. Getting my point or not? And this D is here, then 1 gap will be, B must be here. And October, November and December, there will be a month of 1 month gap, that is November. Fine, this is clear to me. Now come this position. Now F is here. 1, 2, 3, 4. That means before F 4 persons. Before F 4 person, na? The number of persons opens, person, talking about the persons, So F 4. 4 minus 1, that 4 plus 1, that because this minus 1 will come here and plus 1 will be there. So 4 plus 1, that is 5. So after D 5 person will be there. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, D will be there. Now just think it. Is it possible to place B? Because we know that from B take 1 month gap and D must be there. So D is here. Is it possible to place B? No, not possible. Leave it. Leave it, guys. Now here, before F, how many person? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6%. That means 6 plus 1, 7% after D. That means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. D is here. So if D is here, then remember these things: January, February, March, April. So if D is on Jan, then take a gap of 1 month, that is Feb. So B must be on this position. B must be on March. Sir, is it possible? Don't take this thing that D is here, B will be here, take a gap of 1. No, you are taking the gap of 1%. You are not taking the gap of month. That is why I mentioned there's a difference between month as well as in persons. So this is a very key point. You make this note that if D is on Jan, then after the gap of, because month should be in universal type, like we have to count it from like 12 months is there. Don't forget these points, small things. Okay, so D is here, then gap of 1, that is Feb, and then on March B will be there. Then only I can say the 1 month or 2 months before D is here. So B must be on March. So it is not possible in this situation, ruled out. Only this is a valid situation. Only this is a valid situation. I hope so all you are getting my point, what I am trying to say. Don't forget these small things. Okay, now only one person's open up between D's daughter and G's mother. Only one person's open D's daughter and G's mother. D's daughter, that is F, and G's mother. Who is G's mother? A. So if F is here, one gap, A must be here. A must be here. Now H, where is I have to place H? Don't forget small things that H may be here or H may be here. But remember, there is one line that is the aunt of F opens after A's mother-in-law. The aunt of F. Who is the aunt of F? That is A. Who is the aunt of F? That is A. So A is opening the account after A's mother-in-law. That means after A's mother-in-law. That is after E. After E. So if A is here, E must be here or here. But before E, C will be there. Definitely E will be here, C will be here. And we know that H and A are in consecutive manner. That is, A is here, H is here, and your question is solved. Keep small things in your mind, guys. See, what is the difference I am saying to you, that 2 months, 2 persons before. So there is a difference between the person and months. So this is the main motive to coming with this question, that is, don't forget these small things. Okay, so thank you guys. Thank you. If your answer is same as like this, do comment below that how much time you had taken to solve this question. Okay, I hope so you are doing by your own question, by your own this type of question. So tata, bye bye guys, and keep supporting me. And if you want such small tricks in your puzzle, just comment in the below sections. Okay, tata, bye bye guys, have a nice day.